Hi guys, have you ever worked or done an internship in a big hotel or fine dining restaurant and wondered who the hell was supposed to do what in the kitchen? Then let's review how a kitchen brigade works. In this video I will try using English definitions only, but I'll be writing the corresponding French names in the subtitles, so be sure to activate them to read them. Let's begin. A professional modern kitchen brigade is based on a section or party system. In this system, every section is headed by a supervisor, which is called section head or chef de partie, overseeing a group of workers with specific duties and specific locations. They are the cooks or cuisiniers. Junior cooks usually move around the kitchen, helping the section heads for whatever task they need them for, like preparing the ingredients for cooking, and they learn the job from more experienced cooks. In a complete brigade, you will have a section dedicated to the preparation of sauces, one for the preparation of soups and stocks, another for fish-based dishes, and then one for roasted and fried food, one for grilled food, one for the cooking of all vegetables and eggs, and one for all cold food like buffet or cocktail dishes, prepared by the larder or pantry cook, who is also in charge of butchering meat. Last but not least, there will be a pastry station where all the desserts, both cold and hot, like cakes, pastries, ice cream, and also fresh pasta and bread are prepared. The section cooks take their names from the preparations they are in charge of: the sauce cook, the soup cook, the fish cook, the roast cook, the grill cook, etc. All of the people I mentioned are headed by the executive chef or head chef, who controls and coordinates everyone's work. He also purchases the ingredients, hires staff, creates new dishes, and plans the menu. The executive chef is assisted by the sous chef or undercook, who helps him or her supervising the kitchen, and the undercook steps in when the executive chef is absent and takes decisions in his or her behalf. Such a complex organization of kitchen staff is of course found only in deluxe hotels and luxury restaurants, while in smaller food and beverage operations the same person will be in charge of different preparations. Auguste Escoffier was a French chef born in Provence in 1846. In its time, Escoffier was the Bill Gates of the catering industry. In fact, he revolutionized the culinary world by developing the kitchen brigade into a hierarchical military sauce system with a clear chain of command and a precise workflow. He had served in the army and thought very highly of efficient organizations. He also stressed the importance of the hygiene in the kitchen well before HACCP was invented. He also developed new ways of preserving food and created the first a la carte menu. Before this, food came out of the kitchen all at once. Thanks to Escoffier, it started following a precise sequence following the customer's orders. Escoffier also invented many new dishes inspired by the guests of the hotels where he worked. The most famous ones were the Melba peach dessert and the Melba toasts, created in honor of the opera singer Nelly Melba. He was an innovator, a supporter of a farm-to-table approach to cuisine with natural, wholesome ingredients, an approach to which in our times we're once again giving the recognition it deserves. If you're looking for a saint to call on for your final exam, Monsieur Escoffier is definitely your guy. Be sure to print an holy card with a stern moustache face on it and carry it with you at all times, and I'm sure that everything will be alright. Break a leg, Gil, and buona festa della Resistenza.